In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a phone mount, or actually the Mighty mount. Check this thing out, everybody. Number one, it came in this package right here. Very nicely tough packaging. Let me just open it up. Let's see what we get, because I have not looked at it yet. I'll just dump it out here and see what all... It comes like in each individual little package there. Dump these out. That must be the base. There's the actual base right there. Wow, that looks pretty tough. That's a pretty tough looking base. There's the phone holder right there. So this thing right here is kind of like the adjustment type holder. I've seen these things. And this is an additional plate that comes along with it. I don't think I will need this plate. The way this thing's going to work, you're going to pull this off, and it has that suction cup right there. You're going to put this on here like this. So loosen it up. Loosen it up more. Apparently. Loosen that up. Look at that. Open it up just like that. I have my iPhone 13 Pro. That fits extremely well down in it. Works like a charm with the 13 Pro. You can articulate the arm in a lot of different angles here. You can lock it right there. I'm going to be using this in my van. I'll go out to my van here in a minute and we'll set this thing up. What I like about this one is you've got access to the charge port on the bottom. There's a access to the top here. You can turn it to landscape mode if you want, or vertical mode. Very easy to switch between them. You can take it. You can go, it looks like it can hold a Pro. Actually, can we put a... Let me go ahead and see if it holds a 12-inch tablet. This is a 12-inch tablet here. Look at that. It holds a 12-inch tablet like it's nothing. That's nice. Look at that, everybody. You can turn it to a vertical mode, horizontal mode. Very nice that it holds that tablet too. That's not a small tablet. Actually, what I'm going to do, let me go out to my van and let's set this thing on the dash, set the phone up, and let's see what this thing, how it works inside the van. So let's do that now. All right, everybody, here I am. I'm in my van here. Let me show you where I'm going to put this thing. I'm basically just going to put it right there like that. Lock that on. I could probably pull my whole windshield out with that. Look at how awesome this thing works. Take your cell phone, locks in right there. One quick turn, and I am set. Check this out. So basically the phone runs right there. I'm driving right here. The phone is right there for instructions. Look, I can't even turn it. I gotta loosen it up a little bit. Turn it like that. Now it's in horizontal mode, just like that. Uh-oh, I think I hit some Siri on there. There we go. So check it out. We got the horizontal mode like that. And if I want to take the phone out, or actually tighten it back down. So once it's tightened down, you can pull the phone in and out fairly easy, just like that. And then it doesn't move. Then when it's up there, it's kind of like out of the way of the rear view mirror and all that. That's exactly where I'm going to run this thing while I'm driving. You can't stick it to a dash that has like texture like this. They give you that other mount that has a 3M tape that you would stick down, because one of the areas I thought about sticking it, I have a wireless charger right here that I built in there. I was going to stick it right here, so when I'm laying back in my bed, which is right there, I can sit here and watch a movie or have my phone at easy access and then charge it right there. So this is something I will be using amongst my travels, everybody. But right here is how I'm going to run it 99% of the time, just like that, while I'm driving down the road. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Mighty mount. And it is mighty. That is on there. I'm probably going to have to peel that off. Actually, I ain't going to mess. I'm going to leave it right there. See y'all in the next video.